Good morning, Logan. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
He's smiling.
He's sick, but he's smiling.
That was a good boy. That was a good boy.
Logan,
Santa Claus come to see you.
what Santa Claus bring you?
Huh? That's right.
Santa Claus?
Santa who?
I don't know. We haven't gone to see it. Somebody wants to down here with me?
Maybe I need to videotape and Dad can be down there with you.
Yeah, there you go.
Or Nana.
Look. Yay! Santa Claus came to see
that?
you.
See if you can sit on it.
Let's move the thing so we can sit on it.
Do you want me to put the thing there? Look! Yay! Yay! And then the handle has to come up, I guess. Look at this.
Feels better.
He's working.
This will take you back about 25 years, won't it?
He's working.
You don't look unlike your mommy when she was your age.
This way.
Yeah.
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 Look.
Look, Logan, yay!
Well, sit on. You've got to sit on it.
He says my toes almost touch the ground.
Yay! Look at that!
Take his
Make
plug
you
out
want
if
to
you
roll
will.
over this and take the plug out?
Yay! Yeah, he'll like the little shapes.
And we'll roll them over. Watch.
How about that? Huh? How about that?
Yay! Look at
Fun.
Trace,
You like your truck?
where's the...
Tonka?
I went to the...
Look, you got a toothbrush for your new
I went to
teeth.
the laundry room. It's in the kitchen.
For your new teeth.
Tell me if that car's in front of us.
You got.
We'll push it.
Smells like Vicks over here.
Push it.
I got that vaporizer going.
Push it.
Those plain.
Push those buttons over there.
You want to push these? Look.
It's like a steering wheel. I like those. Woohoo! Where you going? Bye. Bye bye.
Oh,
You got to pull it out a little bit.
Bye
got a
bye.
convertible now.
What a fun. Bye bye.
Here you go. Honk your horn. Honk the horn.
Beep beep. Beep beep. Push the buttons.
Hey, there was something over here too, it seemed like.
The heat.
No, I thought there was something in that thing.
Oh,
Oh.
there's just a little
Nice.
here. He likes doing those.
Yes, you did. He's going. Oh, they're fun.
Did you see your swing, Logan?
You got a swing too for the backyard.
Look. This might need tightening up a little bit. Maybe the handle on the...
What's that? Nana's phone? You going for a ride? for a ride. Wave.
It's Lisa Rasheen. Merry Christmas. Wait.
You wanna drive like mommy?
361.
Huh?
What area code is this?
That's Corpus.
Got Corpus, George West.
I got it.
You gotta walk. Take his.
There you
Look at you. Oh,
We got one step out.
we gotta practice, huh?
Are you drooling a lot?
Oh,
Oh, you got a step.
you gotta. And then he gets scared. I think.